Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the DXJJ portable washing machine. In this video, we'll dive into their features, specifications, and performance to help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Whether you're living in a small apartment, traveling in an RV, or just need a compact solution for your laundry, we've got you covered. The WonderWash features a charming retro design that is compact and perfect for small spaces. It operates manually, making it a great choice for those who prefer a non-electric option. In contrast, the DXJJ portable washing machine boasts a modern, foldable design that is not only stylish but also functional, allowing for easy storage and transport. Both designs cater to portability, but they appeal to different user preferences. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads and delicate items. On the other hand, the DXJJ portable washing machine offers a larger capacity of 10 liters, allowing you to wash more clothes at once. This makes it a better option for families or those who need to wash multiple items in a single cycle. The WonderWash operates manually with a hand crank mechanism, which may require some physical effort but allows for control over the washing process. In contrast, the DXJJ portable washing machine is electric and features 3 wash modes, making it a more automated and user-friendly option. This difference in operation is a key factor for potential buyers to consider based on their preferences and needs. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the DXJJ portable washing machine have their unique strengths. If you value a manual, non-electric option with a retro design, the WonderWash is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer a modern, electric machine with a larger capacity and multiple wash modes, the DXJJ is the way to go. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.